Hi guys, so I just wanted to go over a trade setup, which the idea behind is to not have a lot of entries and to plan out your trade. And once you're in the trade, you stay in it and you look to ride it. So what that means is if that is your trading style, right, and you're looking to ride bigger moves and you're willing to avoid or not get into trades that might only run for, a 1-for-1 or a 1-for-2, and you're looking for those bigger risk to reward trades. Once you know that that's what you're looking for, then you find a setup that matches that, right? If you're a scalper, you find a setup that matches that. So in today's video, we're looking at trend trading and looking to stay in bigger moves. So what we have here is the trend meter set on the 1 hour time frame. We're just using the 1 hour for this. Right now, the candle coloring is set on trend. And all we're going to do is come on down, and we're just going to turn on the reversal bands. Okay, this is going to take some discipline from traders because when people see reversal bands, they're thinking, I'm going to go against the trend. Well, on the 1 minute time frame, we're very lucky because we get to see with these indicators, we can see the trend on the higher time frame. This trade is perfect. Why? Because the trend on the 1 hour is green. And what are we touching? The green band. Now, the candle coloring could throw us off because it's red here. So for some of us, we wait for extra confirmation for it to be pink. I think maybe what, could be done, what could be a good thing to do for this setup is just instead of using trend, because we're going to try to get into the trades so low, right? Sometimes it makes a brand new low, which of course the candle coloring might be a little off, is we're going to do contrarian on the candle coloring, and we're going to see if there's any white coloring here. The white coloring means that we are reaching the end and we should start to pop in the other direction. All right, so there is no white coloring there. We do have white coloring here, so we know that it's on. So we can't use that either. But, we don't see any issue here not having any candle coloring because this right here is telling us the direction. So if it touches the red and this is green, we're not going short, okay? We are looking to get in long because this is green. And now when this is red, let's scroll over to the left. There we go. Look at that. Trend meter is red, and it hits the reversal bands. Those are the trades that you'll be looking for, okay? There's the white. That's double confirmation right there. So I think that's a really, really good trade setup. Now, another thing that you can do along the exact same thinking, exact same thought process, let me show you, is we turn on the pullback cloud. Let that load. And it's set on short term right now. Once it loads up, there we go. So instead of using the trend meter, which you can see is red, right now the pullback cloud's green. So we don't need to have both on. We got to decide which one we want to use. You're looking for longs, and there it is. The pullback cloud is green, and look at it touch the reversal band, and up it goes. What I like about this is it's a very clean invalidation, right? You enter here expecting this to be a low. You're going to give it a 10-point stop, and if it doesn't work out, if it keeps making a new low, guess what? We want to get out at 10 points, right? This is a good spot. It invalidates our thought process. So most of these trades should go in our favor rather quickly. And what's also really good is you're needing very little confirmation on it as well. Here we go. Pullback cloud is red, and it touches the reversal band. I don't care if you just hit the sell market button. If you want to do the join bid or join ask, you can do that. Down it goes. You're not going to be able to get a limit order in time, I think. But these are high risk reward setups. Very, very high. Here it is right here. It barely scrapes the bottom of it. And that's the other thing, too. You could make a rule, give yourself a little bit of a cushion. If we're going to do a 10-point stop with NQ, right? If price comes up and it's like 5 points away from this and it's just not touching it, but it's only 5 points away, and your 10 points get you inside of the reversal band, that's a good one. That's still a good one. Like, here's a good example where it barely scrapes it It almost gets it. And it comes right back down to the red pullback cloud. Here's another one. I mean, it's all over the chart. So you have to decide if you want to use the trend meter or the pullback cloud. If you want to use both, I think you're going to filter out a lot more trades that might frustrate you. So I wouldn't go that route. I would either say pullback cloud on or pullback cloud off, trend meter on or trend meter off. And then the only other decision really would be, do you want to do the long-term pullback cloud or the short-term? So we'll see what the long-term looks like. There you go. You just have to decide, do you want to do long-term or short-term? But I think this could really be a great setup for some of you. Please send me a message if you have any questions. If you have any comments, please leave them. And I'll talk to you guys again soon. Take care. Bye.